Hi guys, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Destiny 2 app not working in Android phone. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all update your Destiny 2 app. For that you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Destiny 2. If already up to date, then go back. Then update it from here. After that go back. Open your settings, go to the apps, search here Destiny 2, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence: this app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After that go back. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, uninstall and reinstall Destiny 2 app. After uninstall and reinstall, still you facing same error, then you need to download and install older version, then try it. Then also you facing same error. This is not your problem, maybe Destiny 2 server problem. Wait for some time, after that fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.